Picking up from our last tutorial, let's just pan to the side here, okay, and let's draw a line, okay, that is 5 in height. There you go. And press escape to stop the line. And then let's draw a circle that's 10 in diameter. So circle, and I want the diameter, so I'm going to click 2p. And I'm going to pick this endpoint of the line and then drag up. And I want this one to be 10 in diameter. Okay, press enter. Alright. Now let's discuss a new command. I want this line to go around this circle. Okay. And that one is basically called an array. So when you click array, okay, it'll ask you to select the object that you want to array or go around. Select it and then press enter. And then there are two kinds of array. Okay, actually there's there's two kinds of array, rectangular and polar. So if you want to go around something, you want to use polar. So click polar, and then it's going to ask you specify the center point of the array, which is the center over here. Okay, if your circle does not show a green circle over there, that means that your object snaps over here. Okay, when you click that, the center is not turned on. So make sure that's turned on, okay, so that you can point to the center of a circle. And once you've done that, okay, it will now put in whatever number of items you have there. Okay, and you have 6 items, including this one. You can change items, okay, and you can make it more by doubling it. 12. Press enter. Now you get 12. Okay, you can change it again, items, and then you can make it 20. Press enter, and now you have 20 items. Okay, when you're done, you simply click exit, and all these lines, when you click on one of them, it'll be selected as part of one object. Okay, because after an array, it converts all of those lines into one object. Okay, and that's how to make something go around a particular circle or center. You don't need this circle anymore. You can actually delete this. Select and then press or erase. You don't need that circle if you don't want to. We only use that as a reference point so we can create it going around, unless you want it back. Okay, so we don't want it back, and we can just array circle around the circle and then erase the circle afterwards. So let's just practice array polar.